What's up, Journey Gang? Thank you so much for coming back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Life. On this channel, we bridge the gap between neuroscience and spirituality. We focus on how the mind works so we can create our own reality. So if that sounds like you'll get down, you have found the right place. Hang out a while. Subscribe if you feel in the vibe. And then don't forget to hit the like button on any episodes that resonate with you. Today's quick episode sparked from a conversation I had via Instagram. I don't know if you guys have seen some of my older content, my bay leaf videos, but someone messaged me on Instagram and she said, "Hey, do you still burn bay leaves? What have you been able to manifest with bay leaves? What type of lighter did you use? What was your exact process?" And I'm okay with fielding those questions because people are just interested, right? But I had to make sure she knew that the method is not the magic. We talked about this so many times before, but it's really important that we understand that the manifestation method is not the magic here. The magical part of this equation is you. This is an attraction based universe. There's no forcing, there's no doing the method the same exact way every time, and that's what makes it work. You got to click your heels 3 times and spin around. It's not anything like that. You are an electrical, God filled being. You attract. And so, what I believe happens is your thoughts and feelings send off a vibration. What you truly, not what you say with your mouth, but what you truly think and feel about yourself is creating your frequency or your vibration. And that is what equals your point of attraction. So, if that's the case, there is no forcing it. There is no doing any particular method that's going to help you to manifest a life you love. It really comes from you. Now, these are only my opinions, right? This is life's magical journey. And so we're talking about this and I'm sharing my opinions, but I'd love it if you guys would share your opinions down in the comments. I didn't start this channel thinking I'm just going to find a bunch of people that agree with me, okay? That pretty much has happened. But if you don't agree or if there's something you can add to this conversation, please leave it down in the comments. I welcome that. And if you guys have any topics that you want to see discussed here on the channel, please don't hesitate to email me, hit me up on Instagram, or leave it down right there in the comments. So, about a year ago, when I was doing a lot of Bay Leaf content here on the channel, I was getting a lot of questions like that, specific questions about the method. And that's when I came up with the phrase, the method is not the magic, you are. Because I want everybody to understand that the bay leaf or the color pen you use or the journal you write in, none of that is what's creating your life. You are creating your life based on your thoughts, your feelings, and your emotions. So, with that, it's important that you feel empowered. It's important that you understand that you have the reins of your life, whether you're creating with purpose or you're just creating by default, right? Because a lot of us don't know that we're creators. We don't know that we're constantly manifesting. We are constantly sending a signal out. So that's why this channel has taken the turn that it has. And we really do focus on more neuroscience, mind based learning so that we can know how our mind works and that we are the ones creating our reality. We've just been creating by default. We just think we're taking what comes, but actually, we are creating all the while. And I promise you guys, if you understand that, you may end up doing less methods. I still do methods, and I'm going to do a video telling you why I still do manifestation methods, okay, like burning bay leaves and scripting and things like that. But that is not the end all be all. That is not what's allowing me to create a life I love. So the faster you understand that, the faster you'll become less dependent on doing methods and you will be more dependent on going within, on bridging that gap between your mind and what you create in this reality. It's so important that we understand how magnetic we actually are as human beings. There's people who understand that and they have taken the reins of our life through programming, okay, through repetition of that programming. Now, what I want to suggest is that right now, starting today, you decide to take the reins of your own life. Dare to believe me. Dare to believe that you create your reality with your thoughts and feelings. And then watch your life begin to change. Start today. Start with 5 minutes a day of meditation. I guarantee you will start to feel a deeper connection with yourself. And you will begin to feel the truth that is, you are a powerful being. You are magnetic in nature. And you can be, do, or have anything you choose. And so, with that, have fun with it, relax into it. Remember that you are amazing. If you guys have any topics you want to see discussed on the channel, I know I don't offer that enough because I don't think I've offered that at all, but I am open to hearing suggestions that you guys want to see discussed on the channel. So if you want to email me or message me on Instagram, my Instagram is right there in the corner. Go ahead and message me on Instagram. Make any suggestions you want, and I will consider them. I'd love your input on that, actually. That would be amazing. So I love you all for no reason at all. I'll see you next time.